Hey everyone, I'm here at Diamonds and Donuts here in Boca Raton. It's the Diamonds by Raymond Lee Diamond store. And they have a huge exotic car show every month. And see lots of classics. This is actually pretty packed. And it's a nice day. It's not too hot. It's not too not hot, but it's still pretty hot. So I'm going to go around, check out the cars here, and see what we can do. All right, let's start at the end and see what we got out here. There you go, flat silver Mustang. This, I forgot this guy's name. I think his name is Tay. He works at Champion Porsche. Media manager, I think. Got a C63S. Let's see, what do we got here? What do we got here? Mustang. Camaro. Must be the American Muscle section. Got an F-Type R here. Corvette. C7. Z06. Just gets better as I go. Look at this. Love the leather on this. Brown leather. Let's see. C3 Corvette. Camaro. Is this a special one or is this just an SS? Yeah, I think it's just an SS. I don't think it's like a ZL1 or something. Got a Corvette. Let's see. Red Mustang, race red. On wheels. There you go. Here's a C6 LS2 Corvette. Audi R8. Camaro. Ooh, check out this backdraft racing. Shelby Cobra. Look at this. Ford racing engine in the back. In the front. I'm an idiot. Look at that. I got my Tahoe in the back somewhere. Ford Mustang. Flat green Audi R8. Real nice, real nice. Ooh, here's Wendell and his wife. I forgot her name. Crystal, I think? Christine? I'm not sure. Here's the orange 570S and yellow Ferrari 488. There you go, Martini Porsche. Rolls Royce. Ooh. This is pretty. Is this an E55? I'm not sure. No, it's not E. It's not an E-Class. It's an SL class. Or SL65. There you go. V12 in that Roadster. Look at it. Fun. Got a 6 Series convertible.
Great color.
Let's see what else we got. What else we got? Corvette ZR1. There you go. Right behind me. Corvette ZR1 convertible. Huge carbon fiber wing. Oh, this is a lot of fun. Maybe I should buy one of these. It'd be a fun replacement for the 240. I don't know what I'm going to get because, you know, it's all up in the air. I'm probably going to get roughly between $7,000 and $10,000 for all the parts of the car. So, I mean, I could buy a car cash. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll finance something fun. AMG GTS. What else? You got a Mazda Speed 3. Carbon fiber wrapped roof. Let's see, Alfa Romeo. I'm tired. It's morning. I'm usually sleeping at this time. Let's see, Honda S2000. What was that? Got another Corvette. Mustang convertible. Ooh, check out this. Oh, check this out. Full carbon fiber front end on this Subaru. There you go. Wonder how much weight he's saving, but how much money he had to spend. I mean, typically I think the hood alone is usually like $800. The fenders are like another $800. So it's a decent chunk. Very nice. All right, guys. Just got some barbecue, some ribs for lunch. Would you just look at that? I mean, just look at that pulled pork, mac and cheese, ribs. And a diet soda. See, you get the diet soda so that you can have more calories for more meat.
Yeah, I was always at the track as a kid.